How to apply discount code on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, you can tap open your Amazon application or head over to amazon.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your Amazon account. To use a discount code, first and foremost, make sure that you have a valid discount code with you. To use it, firstly, you will have to purchase an item of your Amazon account. For that, you can tap on a cart option if it is any pending items over there. Then, in order to purchase, tap on Proceed to Purchase. From here, select on the option of Continue at the bottom. In the payment method, you will have to add your credit or debit card. After which, at the bottom you will see the option Add a gift card, promo code or a voucher. Just toggle it on. After which, in this dialog box, just enter the discount code that you have with you. After it, tap on the Continue button. If the discount code is valid, you will receive substantial discount regarding your Amazon purchase. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.